Ayurveda without Panchkarma is zero. So if you want quick results, then it's important to integrate Panchkarma in your practice because it gives dynamic change in the line of treatment. For example, there is a 36-year-old male guy who works in IT industry and he's suffering from back pain and severe knee joint pain because he recently had an accident, and he's taking allopathic medicine since past 2 years, and he's tired of taking allopathic medicines for that long because as long as these medicines are working in his body, he's feeling better. But once the amount of dosage goes down in his system, problems reappear. So to avoid it once and for all, he came to Ayurved with some hope so that it can help him to a certain extent. So what I gave him, just have a look at this prescription. I hope most of you are familiar with these medicines, and you can see how much relief he had in his first visit. It was around 30%, and in his second visit, it was around 50%. Then he himself told me, "Sir, shall we go for any Panchkarma therapy?"
पैसा ही पैसा होगा.
Initially, I didn't advise him any Panchkarma therapy because it is a little bit costlier, quite expensive. But our Acharya have clearly mentioned, Adyo roge Bishakvashyo Gyapika Sattvamanaphi. It means your patient should be rich enough to afford all the treatment cost. So what? I advised him these Panchkarma. The first Panchkarma is Nasya of Brahmigrit because he had a lot of stress which impacts mind. And in turns, it vitiates Majja Dhatu, which follows Pitta Dhatu. And after that, it follows Grahani, which is Pitta Dharakala. Because Pitta Dharakala is Majja Dharakala. And if Grahani is destroyed, Grahani is vitiated. Grahani is nothing but your small intestine where all the digestive processes take place. If it is vitiated, then it affects your Pakwasha, which is large intestine. And Pakwasha Dharakala, Vastu Dharakala. So if Pakwasha is disturbed, it directly impacts your bone. So once you see the chronology, you can imagine how the stress factor is impacting this musculoskeletal system. And after that, I added Kati Basti and Janu Basti with Sachar Tel and Dhanvantar Tel. And then I advised him Tiktak Shir Basti, which is Yoga Basti, Basti which lasts for 8 days. How to prepare this Basti, I'll tell you in the description box. Well, this is Dr. Hardik. I create content about health and authentic Ayurveda. If that's something that relates to you, then do check out my page and consider following. Till then, Jai Mata Di.